ngizocela umshado usuku lethu ma. Will you marry me with my darling? Will you marry me with my darling? Will you marry me? Today is my proposal day. Will you marry me? Today is my proposal day. How can you meet when you meet on the ground? Can you meet when you meet on the ground? When I tell you you want me, snitch on my one. My foot was a one. Tell you see, my foot was a tell you want me, my toe. My foot was a one. Tell you see, my foot was a when I tell you you want me. Tell you my foot was a my foot was a tell you want me. Tell you my toe. Givele ngikumbulele sishaye kwasa nawe tali. Wena majali ungo wami, wena musnitha naye wami. My focus on my focus on my focus on. I told you don't leave, I told you stand aside. Angihlanganyele kone ngizolobula fast. Angithi uyangithanda vuma phela uyangithanda. Asambise eKapa siyodlibela kodwa. Asambise eKapa we siyodlikalangala. Sohamba ngemoto kodwa eyocinga. Ngabe khulumise ngeza abantu suthi madafaka we. Makufika amaphoyisa sofele ngikuqe we. Ngithi phela ngicela ushade. Will you marry me? 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 Ngizocela umshado usuku lethu ma. Will you marry me with my darling? Will you marry